Okay, so I thought I'd just put together a little video on how to use Luminar Mobile. I recently had this put onto my Samsung S25, which is also new. And the little icon's here, so I've just got to... So this is what it looks like when it opens, and if you've got photos on your phone, you can go to your photo gallery or your file manager, or you can take a photo within Luminar itself. I'm just going to go into my gallery and I'm going to pick a photo that I had while we were away the other week. So you've got basic crop, so you can come in crop, you can flip it, rotate it, stuff like that. You can do different presets or different image formats, things like that. So I'm just going to click that. From here, you have got your AI, so you can go in and you can play with your AI settings. You've also got your hue, saturation, white balance, black balance, things like that. You can adjust your contrast. You can go in and you can adjust your temperature and your tint. You've got your saturation that you can put up. Structure, so you can add a little bit of structure to it. You can relight, add vignettes. There's no person in this photo, so that stuff won't work. Landscape, you can do golden hour, foliage enhancer, not that there's a lot of foliage, details, monochrome, etc. Or you can just use the AI enhancer if you wish to just keep it quick and easy and simple. From there, you have also got a sky replacement, so you can go through and you can put in various different skies. I quite liked that one. And there are also some presets, so you can come in and you can select different presets. Quite like that one. And you can alter the strength of those as well. From there, you can either save it to your photo gallery or you can share it directly to social media and stuff like that. So I found it just takes a second when you are trying to share. I found it just goes through as a small size. So if you want to send it to somebody or if you want to put it up in Facebook and things like that, you can do that from there as well. I actually found it was easier to save to my phone, so save to gallery, and then when I went back into the gallery, it is there and I could just save or share from my gallery. The other thing I forgot to mention is that it does have the arrays, which you can go in there. Now, I found this just was a hit and miss. It didn't always work on something quite small, such as those people there. It didn't do a very good job. So I'm just going to zoom in again. Still not great a fantastic job there. So that was the one thing that I found was a bit of a letdown. But apart from that, that's it for Luminar Mobile. I found it really, really quick and easy to use while I was traveling. I was taking happy snaps with my phone, and I must admit the camera on the new Samsung S25 Plus is actually pretty awesome. So it was taking some amazing photos, and then I was able to edit them in Luminar and really make the most of them and share them straight to social media without having to take the images off the camera, get into my laptop, turn it all on, set it up, and edit them all in whatever program that I wanted. So that's pretty much it. And I'll share a couple of the images that I did edit while we were away, so you can see some of the other ones, not just this one. And yeah, that's it. So here's just a couple more images that I took with the phone and edited in Luminar Mobile. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on YouTube. Bye.